Hello everyone and welcome on our channel. Today I will show you how you can spawn wall of flesh in Terraria. So to spawn wall of flesh you have only one way. Acquire guide Voodoo Doll from killing voodoo demons in hell. And if you want to go to hell, so to Underworld, you just simply have to mine down a little bit and you will achieve hell. So when you have this guide Voodoo Doll, you just all you have to do is throw it to lava, and that's all. Wall of flesh is summoned. So thank you guys for watching, and and remember to like and subscribe.